Hi, my name's Mackenzie Jorgensen, but I like to be called Kenzie or Kens. Please excuse my screen. I'm at work right now and just got off a plane, so this is why I look like this. I'm currently in the program for my bachelor's degree in medical imaging. In August, I just completed my associate's degree for radiologic technology, and I'm still continuing on. I live in a very small town called Manila, Iowa. It's about an hour and 45 minutes away from Methodist. I lived in Methodist for 2 years. I was doing my associate's degree, but I came back home to live with my family because the small town is more where I'm from, and I love it. I currently work as a full-time radiologic technologist at a local hospital in Denison called Gufford County Memorial Hospital. It's a few minutes away from my house, but it's worth the drive. And when I think of a leader I admire, I think of my grandmother Gloria. She is like my best friend. My grandma has been running a family business with my grandpa since my grandpa first began it before they were together. And she does all the bookwork and she keeps it in line. And I admire her because she can run a family, run a business, and she used to be a teacher, so she was doing it all. And she's very upbeat, she's positive, she always keeps me in a good mood, and she's involved in everything. She's the perfect leader that I hope I end up being just like her.